understanding the experience required to get a contractor's license. Are you ready to take the next step in your contracting career? Before you apply for a contractor's license, it's essential to understand the experience requirements. According to the article, experience is crucial in obtaining a contractor's license. One key point emphasized is that the amount of experience needed varies depending on the type of license you are pursuing. This highlights the importance of knowing the specific requirements for your desired license. Furthermore, the article advises that verifying your experience is a critical aspect of the licensing process. Providing accurate and detailed documentation of your experience ensures a smooth application process. Another insightful tip from the article is to keep detailed records of your work history. This not only helps in meeting the experience requirements, but also showcases your proficiency in the field. In conclusion, obtaining a contractor's license requires a thorough understanding of the experience needed and diligent documentation of your work history. By following these steps and guidelines, you can successfully navigate the licensing process and advance your career in contracting. Want to learn more? Call 954-904-1064 for a free licensing consultation today.